Assalamu alaikum, this is me. In this video we are going to talk about why Bitcoin is falling down. Let's get started. Bitcoin crash, what's behind crypto collapse? Cryptocurrency is volatile with a track record of boom and bust cycles that have many wondering whether it's safe to invest. The price of Bitcoin, the most popular cryptocurrency, dropped below $16,000 in November 2022, a year after it reached a record high of $69,000, but things have started looking up in 2023 and it's currently worth around $23,500 as the digital currency was on a downward trajectory throughout 2022. What fueled it? What is happening to the value of Bitcoin and why? Bitcoin is incredibly volatile. It is prone to rising and falling sharply on a daily basis, but it's not the only cryptocurrency to have had a tumultuous time recently. Global stocks have gone into a downturn as a result of war in Ukraine, inflationary fears, higher interest rates which will make it more expensive for businesses to borrow money. This has spilled over into the cryptocurrency market. The slump in November 2022 was triggered by the collapse of FTX, which handled around $1 billion transactions each day. Its collapse is having a knock on effect on other crypto exchanges. In June 2022, Bitcoin dropped below $20,000 for the first time since 2022. This was prompted by the decision of Celsius Network, a major US cryptocurrency lending company, to freeze withdrawals and transfers, citing extreme conditions. The move fueled a slump across the cryptocurrency market. China's continued crackdown on crypto is playing a part too, and there has also been speculation that crypto operations could come to a halt in Russia. In addition to this, there have been sudden and severe sell-offs of major cryptocurrencies. This has triggered panic and further sell-offs as consumer confidence is knocked. But Bitcoin has recovered some of the ground it lost last year and it now worth around $23,500. Why is Bitcoin so volatile? Unlike traditional investments such as company shares, where price movements may well be influenced by the performance of the businesses, Bitcoin has no underlying asset. This means that the movements in its price is based purely on speculation among investors about whether it will rise or fall in future. As a result, there can be violent swings in the price of Bitcoin even in the space of 24 hours. At the moment, high inflation and a cost of living crisis are causing people to reduce their investment risk by selling their cryptocurrency. There have also been a number of incidents that have caused the price to fluctuate. Negative stories. A number of negative stories and threats of further regulation have pushed the price of Bitcoin down. These include in November 2022, cryptocurrency exchange FTX went bust after its rival Binance pulled out of a deal to buy it. In June 2022, Celsius Network, a major US cryptocurrency lending company, froze withdrawals and transfers citing extreme conditions. Also in June 2022, Binance, one of the world's largest cryptocurrency exchanges, paused Bitcoin withdrawals with chief executive Changpeng Zhao blaming a stuck transaction that was causing a backlog. Early in 2022, it was reported that Russia might ban cryptocurrency operations, but then, after the invasion of Ukraine, there were calls for crypto exchanges to ban Russia transactions. In May 2021, Tesla boss Elon Musk said that the electric car maker would no longer be accepting digital payments. Over concerns about the impact of cryptocurrency mining, the computing power required to create the likes of Bitcoin on the environment. In June 2021, banks and payment institutions in China were told to stop enabling crypto transactions, and the Chinese government banned the mining of currencies. Then in September 2021, all crypto transactions were declared illegal in effect, meaning that the likes of Bitcoin were banned. Also in June 2021, the US President Donald Trump described Bitcoin as a scam, completing against the dollar to be the currency of world. Uh, FBI agents have seized millions of dollars in Bitcoin from criminals down the years. In August 2021, UK regulator, the Finance Conduct Authority, is effect blacklisted Binance, one of the largest crypto exchanges. Big banks such as HSBS and Santander followed suit by blocking customers from making payments to Binance. In the same month, the International Monetary Fund issued a warning on countries using cryptocurrencies as legal tender, saying its widespread use would threaten macroeconomic stability and could harm financial integrity. Crypto heist. Last August, a hacker stole $600 million in a cyber attack targeting the crypto platform Poly Network, only to return more than half of it 4 days later, saying they did it for fun and to expose the vulnerability in the system before others did. Positive stories, but there have been more positive stories, and these have given the Bitcoin price some protection over the past years. In March 2021, Morgan Stanley became the first big US bank to offer wealthier clients access to Bitcoin funds, albeit restricted to no more than 22.5% of an investor's total net worth. In June 2021, a month after sparking a crypto sell off, Elon Musk said Tesla would probably accept Bitcoin payments again when more than 50% of its energy usage came from renewable resources. Amazon posted a job advert for a digital currency and blockchain product lead in July 2021, and prompting speculation that it would soon accept Bitcoin as payment. Last September, El Salvador made Bitcoin legal tender. Other stories have been more mixed in terms of what they mean for cryptocurrencies. Among them has been the US Federal Reserve considering whether to launch its own central bank digital currency. In March this year, President Joe Biden issued an executive order that aims to coordinate the US government actions on the regulation of digital assets. While many crypto fans think regulation is a bad thing, some think this new executive order could help with the development of digital assets such as the CBDS to ensure the right consumer protections are in place. How has Bitcoin's bubble burst? In 2021, the price soared by more than 700% in 12 months to a record high of $69,000 in November. It certainly seems like Bitcoin's bubble has burst as investors have lost confidence in the crypto sector. It is uncertainty over the future of Bitcoin which has caused prices to crash. In June 2022, it plummeted below $18,000. It was still below $20,000 by November 2022, just a year after its record high of $69,000. While it's now showing signs of recovery, it's still a long way off from its record highs. When assets rise very quickly in price and surge to a record high, typically this makes a crash much more likely, or at least a correction, which is when the price falls back down to a more normal level. This appears to be the situation that Bitcoin is in right now. It took the cryptocurrency 11 years from launch to get to $20,000 per coin, but only 3 weeks for Bitcoin's price to double from there. A decisive year for crypto investors was 2013. Bitcoin's price went from $13.40 at the start of the year to its highest in December of $1156.10 before falling to about $760 3 days later. Okay guys, that's enough for today. Eh, I will join you in the next video. Till then, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.